TUIDE. Did I say that right? TUIDE. Please correct me in the comments down below. But I saw their intro trailer, I think it was, in my last reaction. This is their official debut. It's called Sunkiss. They are a new group from Hive, if I'm not mistaken. Yes. And I know one of the members is Jihyo's little sister, correct? I'm still getting used to the faces. They are super young, by the way, too. This shot is like beautiful. Where is this? Oh my god. Okay, location scouting. But without further ado, let's get into this. Let's go. Let's begin. Oh. Ooh. Oh. Liking the vibe already. Where are they? They are definitely in somewhere else. Ooh, the wind ASMR? Okay. Ooh. Your sun kiss. Oh, what a shot. How did he get the shot where it's like super shining on them? Is it a reflector maybe? Oh, okay, transitions. Ooh, they get it in there. What a beautiful shot. Wow, pretty. Great music video already. Like the shots. Like, look. Girl, you're not supposed to eat that. The location scouting in this is amazing. Okay, oh wait, hold up. Wow. Keep it poised. Oh, is that the Black Sands? Where do they have this? I know in Hawaii we have this, but is this Hawaii? No, it's not. Ooh. Ooh. I feel like the white, their clothing with like where the mountains are, with everybody in all white, and then the greenery just pops stuff. Oh my god. Whoever did the color correction too, great. Ooh. Oh, with the pink shoes. Oh. Is that real thunderstorm turn? Ooh. The sparkles? Oh wow. And they're doing so good too. Is that a real, what is that? Is that a fox? A gray fox? It's so cute. Yeah. I like this shot because usually like landscape shots, you don't see, they must be using so much light. There's probably a generator in there too to make them shine and pop. What? Oh, this is the this is the credits. Like behind the scenes. Okay. Hey.
Okay.
This can't be Hawaii. This is definitely a very beautiful place, by the way.
We're creating our own way.
We are creating our own way. Ooh. Oh. Hella overexposed too. I love it. Tune and play. TUIDE. I'm pretty sure y'all corrected me in the last reaction. I can't remember right now. But let me know in the comments down below what you guys think. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. It's your boy Dre. Again, Check out my Patreon. It is free to follow. And if you want to access more content, it is a subscription for $1. Holla for $1, baby. Check out my Twitch streams. I Twitch almost every day. Twitch.tv/JREKML. And I'll see you guys till next time. Peace.
Hey! You better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for $1 to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day.